Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be explaining the copy trading of the Solana meme coins. If you can subscribe to my channel before we start, it would be much appreciated because that will help the algorithm to push my video to more and more viewers, for which I will be very much appreciated. So guys, before we start, also I have to tell you that this is not a financial advice, it's only for educational and entertainment purposes. So, okay, we are on the GMGN, good morning, good night, and let's say that you want to start do some copy trades, okay? I'm not saying which one of those meme coins you want to start copy trading, and I'm just saying that if you want to start using this particular method to find the people who actually are the wallets which they're actually quite successful, and you might say, okay, those people might know something about it, so I'll try to copy trade them, okay? But before you get there, you just need to find out those successful wallets. So one of the ways to find those is just if you go to good morning good night, and if you go to copy trade, okay, tab, then you will see those wallets visible for you, okay, and those informations are quite important, because you can see what type of wallets we are talking about here. Those wallets are actually quite good when it comes to profit and loss, in last 30 days, and this is something you might be taking under consideration before you decided to actually go ahead and start copy trade them, okay? So for example, this one here, let's say, I don't know, like this one, 63%, right? Okay, this one is quite interesting. Let's say that we want to know more about this particular wallet. Let's click on it, okay? So this fella has a win rate of 50%, okay? And if we just switch to 30 days, it's 41.59%. Usually when you see 60 and above, that's really good, but 41 is still something, right? And when we start, do some, filtering and see what is this fella is actually investing in, what type of trades, they are making, where they losing, whether they actually winning money, and this is something which interests you before you decided if you want to copy trade them. There is also a tool available, the one which I want to show you. This one here, it's called SolSqueezer, right? It's called SolSqueezer bot, right? If you go and copy this particular address inside this one, okay, and this one will start analyze Solana wallet, okay? So it will take a few seconds before you see it. Okay, here you go, it's already there. Okay, so now we can definitely see some more information coming out. Right away, we see a last 30 of those trades, okay? Were they successful, were they not, okay? Or they were like just, idle. There's nothing happened there. But definitely we can see that there's some, it's sort of like half, isn't that, okay? When it says here 41.59, and if you go to 7 days, okay, it's 50%, right? That's no worries at all. So if we go to, let's say, that we want to go and change those settings, the bot settings, and we want to do the 7 days, okay, and let's say that this will now be a 7 days 7 days we'll be analyzing this wallet based on the last 7 days, okay? So we will see if this 7 days will also show us 7 days. Look, this 7 days, last 7 days, this wallet was actually quite in red, right? So we see there's so many last 30 transactions, okay, in the last 6 days trades period, okay, there were many of those transactions were unsuccessful, and some of them were just idle. There was no red, no blue, no green, right? So that's what you can actually achieve using this SolSqueezer bot, okay? And let's analyze the last 7 days, because here when we see on the good morning good night is a 50%, okay, win rate, right? Here it doesn't look like there was some more, like much of a win here, okay? So let's say like a balance, 31.65 Sol, and here 31.65. Yeah, that's fine. Trade period 6 days, we get a 7 there, okay? Last trade is 8 minutes ago, so it's quite active. Median trade duration 1 minute, okay? So it's a sniper. Average trades per day 32, so it's actively sniping every day, okay? Average trades buy sells 1.6, 1.2 Sol. Average buy size 2.4 Sol. Okay, medium one first by market cap 56. So it's just in that medium range. Okay, medium and large market caps. Okay, they are he's focusing on. He or she is focusing on. Okay, average gas fee. That's all been explained to you. Okay, ROI 60%. Average trade ROI 14. Okay, it's something which you definitely want to put attention before you start thinking, okay, this fella might be a good to start copying. Okay, PNL 120 Sol. Okay, and also win rates 31%, longest win streak 6, longest low streak 9, win rate 61. Okay, and now let's go and do some comparison here. Okay, so it says like low trades. Where is this now? Okay, win trades. Okay, 61 win trades, right? And now last 7 days. Okay, we are here 7 days. So less than 2x, 50 of those. Okay, less than 2x. Okay, we got like 76. It shows here. Okay, 76 and that's 50%. So it's more like it's just over 100. Okay, here 50 it says. Okay, between 2 and 5, 9. Okay, 2 and 5. Here is a 10, and over 5x. It on Good Morning Good Night it says 8. On SolSqueezer bot it says 2. Okay, lost rates 135 and total trades 196. Right, so guys, you already see there's some discrepancies between what the Good Morning Good Night says and SolSqueezer bot it says. Okay, so you either can go and check this Good Morning Good Night. I'll be leaving the link to both of those tools inside the description of this video, so you can go and compare yourself. Okay, but if you'll be looking into Good Morning Good Night, you'll be saying like, oh, win rate 50%. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, let's start copying. Okay, but then when you start digging inside that wallet in more and more depth, okay, you see that this hasn't been so successful actually. All right, so there was like last 6 days they were so successful. Okay, here it says 7 days, so it might be the reason that last day they were so successful that they were showing like 50% win rate. Okay, here it doesn't look like it, doesn't it? I think, guys, that's all I want to cover you inside this video, right? So just to show you if you want to go and start copy trading somebody, it's nice to do some sort of tools which allows you to do some research before you decide to do so, right? So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is not a financial advice. If you want to comment, please leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you can subscribe to my channel, we much appreciate it. Thank you very much.